Hey, good day. This is a short video on how you can get your text number without having to call SARS or having to go into the SARS branch. So the first step is to go to the SARS website, which is www.sars.gov.za. And once you get onto that page, you click here where it says, "What's my text number?" And then it's going to ask you for a few details. So all you need to do is to put in your details here. So your query is what is my text number? How do you want to receive your text number? Do you want to receive it by email or by SMS? What is your name? What is your surname? If you are running a small business, what are you trading as? What is your email address? What is your mobile cell number and your telephone number? Now, this is the most important part. So, do you use a passport or do you use a South African ID number? You put in your number, your ID number here. Make sure that all the details that you're putting in here are essentially the correct details. And once you're satisfied that you have entered the correct details, click submit. And then once you click submit, it's going to ask you to enter the security code. And once you enter this security code, click validate, and SARS will send you your text number. I hope this was helpful.